Hey everyone, I hope you're all fine. So today we are going to learn how to invite someone on your Trello board. As we all know, Trello is one of the best tools for managing your team and projects. We are going to learn how to invite someone on your Trello board. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So click on Trello. If you have an account, simply sign in, and if you don't have one, just simply sign in through a Google account. After clicking on sign up, you can either continue with Google account or your Microsoft account, or either through Apple or Slack account. We are just going to simply continue with Google account. So click on continue with Google, and then you will find an interface like this where it will show your boards, templates, and your workspaces, etc. So we are just going to simply click on boards. If you already have created a board, then just simply click on it, or you might want to create a new board. So we already have one, so just simply click on it. And after clicking on your board, just look for these three dots here. Simply click on it. Right at the bottom you will see link to this board. You have to simply copy the link and share it through email or through any other way you want to the person you want to invite on your board. Just copy it and email it to the person you want to invite to the board. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you soon. Take care.